Hello, good afternoon. My name is Samit Singh and I am the Chief Product and Technology Officer at Asset Chain Intelligence Private Limited. We have built a powerful blockchain-backed AI technology platform which helps universities to digitize credentials, certificates for universities and for municipal corporations, which becomes immutable and can be verified on a click of a button. I am a seasoned entrepreneur and I am happy to be part of this project.
Hello, I am CA Mayur Jhawar, Director and CEO of Asset Chain Intelligence Private Limited. I look after business partnerships, sales, government collaborations, and scalability of the organizations. We provide blockchain and AI powered solutions for education sector, e-governance, and forensic records. We are also being empaneled with various government, public sector authorities and corporate sector to do the digital transformation, bringing trust and security in the whole ecosystem.
Let's take a look inside the organization dashboard and walk through the simple process of creating and issuing verifiable credentials. Your dashboard gives you a comprehensive view of your platform's activity, including issued credentials, programs, courses, and learners joined. Easily track key metrics and gain insights into learner demographics, social media engagement, and the most in-demand skills highlighted by the data. Step 1. Create an event. Our first step is to create an event or activity for which you will issue the credentials. Navigate to the event section and click Add Event. We'll name this TruScholar Summit 25 and assign an event code of 01. Select the type of event, in this case an online event. Now add the details of the authorized signatory, ensuring the name and designation are accurate. Click Save. Our event is now ready to go. Step 2. Upload participants. Next, we need to add our participants. Go to the participant section, select your event and choose how you wish to add attendees. For efficiency, we recommend the bulk upload option. Simply download the template provided. The template allows you to populate all necessary data fields, including custom variables like rank, which will be merged onto the final credential. Once your file is ready, click Import Participants File, select your document and confirm the upload. Your participants are now registered for the event. Step 3. Design and attach certificate. Let's move on to designing the credential itself. Navigate to Design Credentials and select Design New Certificate. Choose from a library of professionally designed templates or upload your own background. Use our intuitive designer to customize the look and feel. Merge variables, indicated by double curly braces. Automatically pull data from your participant list to personalize each certificate. Save your design with a memorable name like True Summit. Finally, attach your newly designed certificate to the event we created earlier, TruScholar Summit 25. Step 4. Issue and publish credentials. Back in the event details, you can see the participants are listed with the status of In Progress. Select all participants by clicking the checkbox at the top of the table. Now for the final step, issuing and publishing the verifiable credentials. Click Issuance action and select Issue and Publish Credential. For security and authenticity, you will receive a one-time password via email. Simply retrieve the code and enter it to authorize the issuance. Click Submit. Congratulations! Your verifiable, tamper-proof and blockchain-secured credentials have been successfully issued and published to all participants.
Hi, this is Ram Prakash. I'm working as Assistant Professor at Laila Institute of Business Administration. Being a faculty and program coordinator for the online PGT program at LIBA, I see our partnership with TruScholar as a pivotal step in our digital transformation. The collaboration reinforces our commitment to innovation and academic integrity. TruScholar secure and tamper-proof digital credentials and ensuring students receive instantly verifiable certificate that meet global standards. It has significantly improved transparency and efficiency in our certification process, aligning seamlessly with the digital vision of NEP 2020 and also with AICTE guidelines. It reduces our administrative overheads to a great extent, and also it ensures globally recognized digital credentials for our students. Thank you, TruScholar, for this seamless journey.
Hi, this is Rishita. I'm social media and brand strategist at Global Association for Corporate Services, that is GACS. At GACS, we wanted a smart and reliable tool for issuing certificates for our members for workshops and masterclasses. With TruScholar, it became easy for us to issue certificates. Our members can easily upload digital verified certificates on LinkedIn under License and Certificate section, which enhances credibility and professional value for them. Thank you, TruScholar.
Hi, hello everyone. Myself Sriram, academic head at Unique Education Society, Pune. TruScholar has made our certificate issuance process seamless and fully digital. It's secure, fast and easy to use. We are really happy with the platform. Thank you.